everybody. I'm here today with a specific and complete video on the GE Universal Remote Control that you see right here. I'll be going over specifically and showing you how to search for codes automatically with this GE Universal Remote. And this will be a beginner tutorial. So once again, this is a video tutorial on the GE Universal Remote showing you how to search for codes automatically. And this will be a very easy beginner tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you don't know the code for your device and you want to search for the code, it's really easy to do. It does take a while, but it's really easy to do and you will succeed at it as long as your device is programmable with this remote, which most of them are anyways, okay? So it's very simple, very easy to do. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it, whether you have this exact remote or something very similar to it. If you have another GE Universal Remote, it's going to be the same process for the most part. So turn on the device. So let's say it's my TV. Turn on the device, which in this case we're pretending is a TV, okay? Then on the remote, you want to press and hold the setup button. So press and hold the setup button down until the red light stays on. The red light will stay on, and that means you're in the setup mode, okay? Then you want to press the device that you want to program. So I'm going to press TV. I would press TV and release it quickly. The light is going to blink. It'll blink and it'll stay red. And that means you're still in setup mode, which is what you want, okay? Now, what you want to do is point the remote at the device and press the power button once, okay? And what the remote's going to do is it's going to send out 10 signals to the device, and it's going to blink. That red light will blink with each signal 10 times, and it will stay on once it's done sending the 10 signals. Now, if your device powers off, then that means that one of those 10 signals worked, okay? So you're gonna move on to the next step, but if not, if it doesn't power off, you're gonna do it again. Press the power button, it's gonna send 10 signals and it'll blink each time, and then it'll stay illuminated. And you're gonna keep trying it until your device powers off. Once your device powers off, don't press anything else. You know it's within one of those 10 signals that it just sent. Then you're going to go to your device, turn it on manually. So I'm going to go to my TV, turn it on manually again. And then I'm going to point the remote at the device and I'm going to press the volume up button, okay? The volume up button is going to send the first signal out of the previous 10, the first signal to the TV, to the device. So you're going to press the volume up, see if it turns off, okay? If it doesn't turn off, press the volume up again, see if it turns off. Doesn't turn off, press volume up again, and you're gonna have to do this a maximum of 10 times because it only has 10 signals that is within that bundle that you sent that actually worked. So continue pressing volume up until the TV turns off. Give it a couple seconds, like press volume up, give it a few seconds to make sure it didn't actually work, okay? Press it again. When the TV does turn off or when the device turns off, okay, don't press any other buttons on the remote other than the button that you press to select the device. So I would press the TV button again. When I press the TV button again, after pressing the volume up, turn the TV off. When I press the TV button again at that point, okay, it's gonna program the remote for the TV option over here with that code, and your remote should work. That's simple. That's how to search for codes automatically with the remote. It's not hard to do, pretty easy to do. It does take a while though because there are lots of codes, but it should work. At least if you have a TV or a device that's compatible, which most of them are, it should work. And that is truly and completely it. If you want to search for codes automatically with your GE Universal Remote, this is a beginner tutorial. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice, big, awesomely healthy thumbs up. Let's try that again one more time. If you like this, I'm going to slow it down. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice, big, awesomely healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.